Here we have a 2018 BMW 340i M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked. We do also have the mineral grey metallic paintwork, LED daytime running headlights, we have the gloss black front kinder grills and also front splitter as well. We do have the Ember foamed kit on this vehicle, so as we come round to the passenger side you'll find we have the side skirts along the bottom. We also have the second alloy wheel down here, as you can see once more unmarked. We do also have colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae. We then have the gloss black rear spoiler, sits nice and aggressive on the tailgate. We do have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Dual exit exhaust at the back. We also have the 340i badging on the tailgate. Press this button on the remote, then you find the boot will pop open just like so. Inside of here you can see we have plenty of space, it does go quite far back. We also have the extra pockets on either side, handle underneath here so we can pull the boot back down. And coming back round to the driver's side you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now if we take a look then at the interior, so coming into the back, just open the door, you can see we have the full black leather seats, refundable armrest in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We then have the vents in the centre for the rear passengers, brush metal door handles and electric windows on the doors. Taking a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats, both front seats being heated. Let's look at the passenger one and then also with the driver's one. Taking the seat inside, you find the electric mirrors and electric windows, automatic lights, automatic wipers. We do have the dashboard in front of us. If you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up. We do have the speedometer and the cruise control here on the left hand side and paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. As you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We then have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre. If that's flickering, it's just the camera, it's not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. It's currently showing the sat nav, but we press these buttons just here. You see we can flick through the different features. You'll find we have the radio, we also have the other options for the media just here. Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. And then moving further down, you'll find we have the dual zone climate control, ice cold air conditioning, and heated seats as well either side. We have the cup holders underneath here with the 12-volt connectivity, automatic gearbox for the different drive modes. You press this button here and you see we can flick through the different drive modes just like so. Let's put it back in comfort. Putting the car into reverse, you'll find the reversing camera. You'll find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P, we then have the manual handbrake and the armrest here in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. The video test drive of this BMW 340i M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as expected to. And as you can see, I've had to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side. So if you want to stick the car into manual mode, we simply tap on the paddles to change gear. We do also have the speedometer and the cruise control buttons here on the left hand side, along with the volume buttons and phone connectivity on the right. And if you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather seats as well throughout the vehicle, which are really comfortable and can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. We also have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre, which is currently showing the sat nav. Again, has plenty of features on there you would have seen on the photos, for example the DAB radio and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Now we also have the dual zone climate control just down here, which has the ice cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. Of course we have the automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth going through all the gears, along with having the different drive modes. Now if you aren't local to us, we do also offer free nationwide next day delivery, which can be to your home or to your place of work. We are about to take a right hand turn, so if we put our right indicator on, we'll start to slow down and wait for the cars to go past. So wait for this last car to go past and then make the right hand turn onto the industrial park, and then I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1, hold onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, parking sensors appear on the screen, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running for some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.